Hello guys, and welcome back to another week of our critical vocabulary. We are starting for October 10th or October 26th through October 30th. So let us go ahead and get started. Now our first word of the day is timid. Now take a moment and think what timid might mean. Timid. If you are timid, you are very careful and often fearful. Now, an example used in a sentence is, the timid cat would not come off the couch, meaning the cat was kind of scared probably and just wasn't feeling the need to get off the couch and just wanted to be very careful. So our next word of the day is strenuous. Take a moment and think what strenuous might mean. Strenuous. If an activity is strenuous, it takes great effort and a lot of energy. An example used in a sentence is, the most strenuous part of the trip was carrying my 35-pound backpack up the mountain. Meaning, since his backpack was super heavy, it took a lot of energy and a lot of work for him to carry that on his back up a very tall mountain. Now our last word of the day is devised. Take a moment and think what devised might mean. Devised. If you devised a plan, you figured out a way to achieve the plan. This used as an example in a sentence is, we devised a way to work together as a group, meaning they created a plan and found a way to work together and accomplish and achieve their project. Now, these are the words for the day, and I will see you back tomorrow for some more of our critical vocabulary words. Make sure that you take time to study these words so that you can do well on your vocab quiz this Friday. Have a good day.